like Humbl, unicorn of all unicorns. I actually like Humbl, unicorn of all unicorns. $1.56, $1.57, $1.56, $1.57.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Tanzanite Business and Investment, unicorn of all unicorn. That's what we're going to be discussing today. Humbl investors. We came a long way from 70 cents to where we are right now as we speak. It was around $1.71, okay? But we came a long way. This is Humbl investors. But to let you know, disclaimer, I'm not affiliated or associated to Humbl. I'm just regular Joe who just happened to invest in Humbl. This channel is just for education purposes and entertainment purposes only. If you are a Humbl investor long-term, please subscribe to our channel, like, share. Please, I need more shares today. I need more likes today. I need more subscribers today, okay? Please, let's celebrate together. I see the Humbl where we were waiting for, it started to take shape. Today we're gonna check it out, the video which the president, it was done this weekend, this weekend on Fox Business News, okay? And also we're gonna check it out, news which is gonna prepare our company, our stocks to continue going higher. And lastly, we're gonna check it out, the chart, and where we think this company is going and where the stock is going to be by the end of this year, okay? Please subscribe, like, share, and that's how we can work together. Thank you all, and let's dig in.
All right, folks, it's being called the unicorn of all unicorns, Humbl. It's a digital payment service, and it's taking the investment world by storm, looping in both the Reddit and crypto crowds, and now, well, Wall Street is taking notice. The company CEO, Brian Foote, joins me now. And Brian, let's just start off. Tell us a little bit about what Humbl does that other digital payment services don't.
Hi, Charles. Nice to be with you. Yeah, so we're a platform, not just a payment services company. So average customer right now has about 60 to 90 applications on their phone. So we're trying to package up a more intelligent swipe left, swipe right continuum for people to be able to buy, sell, trade, invest, and pay from one modular application. So we think we have a really strong opportunity there to package up the next generation of the web.
All right, so one area that you're a big player in already are these NFTs. I want you to talk a little bit about your unique approach to this and how you're talking about monetizing things like they've never been monetized before, whether it's in the existing NFT structure or catalogs and things like that.
Yeah, I see you have our slide up. Thank you so much for that. We have this structure that we've built out where we think folks are going to be able to engage with asset tokenization on blockchain, meaning the ability to buy a ticket, commemorate that ticket as an NFT, trade it with someone on a secondary marketplace. So blockchain opens up these really exciting new asset classes that Humbl intends to package up for the customer.
Where are you with respect? I listened to your call, your fifth shareholder call. I found it to be very intriguing. I learned a lot about it, but you have an aggressive, very aggressive plan. Essentially you want to conquer the world, and you're looking at three specific areas. Where are you with respect to achieving it so far?
Yeah, well, we're in about our 6th month as a public business. We just announced this morning that we've acquired a ticketing company, Tickery, that has a great footprint in Latin America and the Caribbean corridor. So we're going to start small, win in very tactical zones like peer-to-peer remittances, buy crypto, earn interest, and then gravitate towards other markets through distribution partners that can help us on the ground there. So while our technologies may be expansive in what they can serve for customers around the world, we intend to move very methodically in terms of our rollout plans.
Most reviews I've read sort of said, hey, you're compared to the PayPal, of course, digital wallets, but you say you want to sort of be the Amazon of digital assets. So explain that again. It's so intriguing, and it seems like this vertical growth opportunities where you're almost unlimited.
Thank you. Yeah, so what we did was we're students of history. So we went back and studied the FANG stocks from Wave 1, some of the Web 2 companies, what they did to package up really material step functions in human technology. And that's what we're trying to do with blockchain tokenization of assets, which can apply to anything like payments, ticketing, NFTs, or some of our leading investment products that are available across active, thematic, or index strategies for our customers.
Right.
So blockchain tokenization offers this sort of panacea of things that you can do with it, and we want to just tighten that up and package it into this swipe left, swipe right continuum for people to be able to experience that technology, because it is so new and it can be very intimidating. But what Humbl is doing is sitting over the top of those technology innovations and packaging them up for the customer, not unlike what Netflix did with content or Amazon did with e-commerce.
Brian, I just got less than a minute, but I got to ask you about this. You have an enormous following, People believe you're going to achieve this. Your stock rallied 1,000% right out the gate this year. It's pulled back. I guess shorts have piled on. I mean, you're carrying a lot of weight on your shoulders. What do you want to say to these shareholders who believe in you and they put everything into this?
Yes, yeah, we are. I sit about at night, looking at the ceiling, nervous about executing for everybody. But we have a great team around us. We're well capitalized. We're achieving some M&A goals that will help us grow faster. And we take it very seriously. We want to win for people and our shareholders with whom we have a very direct relationship and to whom we represent very seriously. So, yeah, we're keen to get this thing done, and we're going to come to work every day until we do.
Well, the stock went up 1,000%. You didn't sell any of your own shares. I know you're committed to this. I hope you come back as you continue to grow. Congratulations, and we'll talk to you again real soon, Brian.
Thank you, Charles. I appreciate it. Nice to see you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Tanzanite Business and Investment. This is a great day. Our company, our favorite stock, Humbl, is getting where we should be going now. Even though some of us, we are still down, but we are moving to the right directions. And as we already check it out, Humbl, with the interview with the president of the company, of Brian Foote, was able to talk to Fox News, and he was able to do great interview, I can say, about what's Humbl about, which direction is going to, and there's some news which today I'm gonna wanna cover to go with that video we already checked it out about president, which he elaborated everything about the functionality or three division of Humbl Pay, Humbl Marketplace, and Humbl Financials. So, and as we already see, they wanna make the Amazon of they wanna do the acquisition and continue do what they're doing best. As we already check it out, there's a news also which is talking about complete acquisition of Tickley acquisition, which we already knew about it, but the completion of acquisition was already not done yet. Okay, so today as we speak, I want to go through these two news, which number one news, which is talking about Humbl announced strategic collaboration with Athletic First. Okay, this is talking about announced today it has retained Athletic First as a strategy consultant to focus on developing a new business vertical in such area of non-fungible token. As we already know, Humbl is also involved in NFT, digital media, and ticketing. This news was happened on June 2nd. Athletic First is a leading sports agency with multi-decade history of representing top NFL players, coach, executive, and broadcaster. The Athletic's first client roster include hundreds of NFL players such as Aaron Rodgers, Tua, Justin Herbert. There's a lot of them, but all in all, he's talking about, along with retired stars such as Hall of Fame Steve Young, John Lynch, over 100 NFL and NCAA coaches. On this news also is talking about Athletic First will support Humbl in delivering elite white glove service for select group of A-list sports and entertainment talent, with an initial focus of creating high curative NFT gallery alongside the Emmy nomination Creative House, God Farm Media. Okay, so as we already see that now NFT they are building the foundation of it, and now they have partnered with this collaboration with athletics. So through this NFT, I think Humbl can make a lot of money, and also can cause our company to continue grow and continue become bigger to where it is like now. Okay, and another news which I wanna be able to share with you is concerning Humbl announced completion of Ticker acquisition. As we already know, they announced earlier, I think it was around January or February, about acquisition of Tickery, but they didn't finish the whole acquisition to June 4th, where they announced that it has completed its acquisition of Tickery, a leading Latin-focused ticketing platform. The purchase price for the acquisition was paid with a mix of debt and common stock for a total of $20 million. Humbl will be working delivering ticketing and peer-to-peer remittance and mobile pay service to Latin America customers, fitting seamlessly across the existing ticketing platform and plan for mutual international expansion. What they do, Humbl, they go acquire companies which they already have networking through the area. Like now, this ticketing is around North Latin America. So they are going with the ticketing, but they introduce other product through ticketing. So because the infrastructure is already there, for example, this in Latin America, so they also put a peer-to-peer to be introduced. Number one is to do ticketing, deliver ticketing, peer-to-peer, and then a mobile pay services to Latin America customer. So they're going with they're acquiring one company, and they introduce the other product to the same kind of customer. So as soon as you have an app, the app is gonna have multiple products. That's how Humbl is gonna be able to go across the world. Okay, so it's the same thing which presidents talk about. Mr. Brian Foote before he say the company is going to for more worldwide, not only US based customers. Okay, so for these two news, I think Humbl is gonna be sky's the limit. Most of us, I know, our cost base is around $2, $3. Some of you are $4, but the more you continue buying in to reduce your average cost, the more you can be able to have at the lower cost of all your Humbl. But I think Humbl can be able to go, by the end of the year, I think it can go to at least $10. That's a minimum I can see. Like now, I see the stock market is starting to pick it up slowly by slowly. But as soon as they get to the normal level, and then Humbl start producing, and all the services start working properly, then I think more people will get aware of the company, aware of the product, and before you know, the sky's the limit, baby. But I know for sure, within 3 to 5 years, Humbl will be over $100 stock for sure. For me, I'm already I maxed out my the number of stock I can have for now, but I don't mind adding more if I can get more money. But for those who you can at least have a plan to have at least 10,000 share of this company, because it's gonna change our life forever one day. Okay, as we already know, I'm not financial advisor. Contact your financial advisor, and I'm just telling you what I do, and just do your due diligence before you purchase any stocks which we are discussing in this channel. But for me, I know for sure by end of the year, a lot of people will be making a lot of money. But for me, I'm a long-term investor, and I want to see myself if this stock can be able to make me a millionaire in 3 to 5 years. Okay. Lastly, we're gonna check it out the chart. The chart, as you see, today, Friday, it closed at $1.54, and as of it closed out at $1.54, yes, and then it opened at $1.69. Just imagine, the demand was too high in the morning, so it opened up at $1.69, and as of this morning, it went to $1.71, and then it came back to $1.70, and hopefully by the end of this week, hopefully it's gonna go to above $2. That's my wish. Okay, wish is not always come, but that's my wish. The stock to go to at least $2. Okay, and for those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, like, share, and that's how we can be able to participate to this, and we can be able to grow our channel. Okay, that's all I have for today. Have a blessed week, and see you to the moon. Blessing.